I have this Infinity FUZE 99 FUZE 100 model. This has crackling sound problem. That is because of the bad driver. So this is the bad driver. So if you want to replace the bad driver with the fresh driver, this driver is for sale. So if you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. This is first time available here in YouTube in the AudioViz 360 channel. How to replace this driver? I have given the long video link here. Please click and go through it. These are the original drivers which is for sale here, harvested from Infinity FUZE 100. This is same drivers for sale here. So if you'd like to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number and fix your crackling sound problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.